What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and error is CE-113338-9, and error occurred while updating the PlayStation 5 System Software. So here's the System Software error, and I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen. And here we go to the settings and then go to the system. Here's a PlayStation Network server, you just check it. Sorry, the System Software update. If is it up to date, and then leave. If it's not updated, you just go update it. Here you check the download updating and then install it update automatically. You just check these both, and then go to the storage. You must check the storage. Sometimes you don't have enough storage to update your system software. Firstly, you make a space in your storage and then do it. And sometimes you're having a corrupted file, your system software is a corrupted file downloaded, that's why it's not working. What to do, just go to the turn off your PlayStation 5 and go to the safe mode. There's a rebuild database and a clear cache. Just do it, and after that you will get back the home screen and do it again. And in the safe mode also, you got the option kind of reinstallation or system software update. You can do it, but you must connect it with the wired LAN 1, your PlayStation 5, with the network. That's why you can do it. So simply, that's how you can fix this kind of error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.